see, you see. 1, 2, 3 용기가 생겼지 이미 아는 일을 짚고 고개를 돌려 천천히 여기 you see 여기 보이니 Looking for attention 알겠어 확실하게 너로 만들겠어 Ay, drop the question, drop the question. And I show you how to start. Play it like it's a guitar. I've run I've been doing the most.
Now we're gonna go wash your hair because I'm gonna tell you my scalp burns. We're gonna go wash your hair. We gotta do this now.
Staring in space, I'm on my bed, yeah. Making me feeling some type of way, yeah. It's only 2, are you awake? There's a lot I gotta say. I got it on replay, and I saw your face. Even if you know my name, I know that won't be it for you, babe. Can't wait any longer, could be too late. I gotta make my move on you this way. My affection, is it too late? I wanna make my move on you. Wanna make my move on you. Don't wanna wait till could've been. If I get your number, your phone gon' ring, ring, ring. It's only 2:02 a.m. I'm coming up with a plan. Got it on replay, got a strategy. Even if you far away, I know we'll be together again, babe. Telling you it's real, babe. Can't wait any longer, could be too late. I gotta make my move on you this way. My affection, is it too late?
So, currently reading a new book. The last book I read was The Only One Left by Riley Sager, and I love that book. It's a new month, a new book. I recently just started this book. This is First Lie Wins by Ashley Elston, and this is a psychological thriller. Here's a synopsis of this book. First Lie Wins is about a con artist named Evie Porter. Footnote, it's not her name. We don't know her name, we don't know her identity, but she's a con artist working for this guy called Mr. Smith. So Mr. Smith is the puppeteer and Evie's the puppet. So Mr. Smith is literally telling her, here is this person, this is your next assignment, this is who you are, and you need to find out as much information as you can on this person. But along the way, she meets someone that she recognized from her past life, another con artist. So I'm at that part where she meets this con artist, but from what I've heard on TikTok is that after she meets that person, it's hard for her to like keep up, and there's a lot of things going on. Truly, it's kind of confusing, it's kind of boring at the end, but if you're a book reader, you know like the first 100 pages are always slow, but once you get into it, it's like fasten your seatbelt, get ready for takeoff. But yeah, because the last book I read, the only one left, oh, that book was creepy. That, the gothic feel, it was so creepy, but such a good book. I kind of like the cover. It's very, I love the green. Tomorrow morning I'm going to the movies again because I truly want to watch Superman, and because of that movie and the hype and the love that movie has been receiving, from what I've seen through TikTok, I am watching Smallville again as an adult. Though I used to watch it growing up as a kid. It's crazy to me, the same characters that I dislike as a kid are the same characters that I dislike now as an adult. And I'm proud of myself for being consistent. First of all, what's his face? Baldy. Lex Luthor. Mad annoying. Sir, you're in your 20s hanging out with teenagers, freshmen in high school. Hello? Ding ding ding, call the cops. Why are you in your early 20s hanging out with teenagers? You telling me a freshman is your only friend? And I'm not mad that he's a villain because Clark Kent was gaslighting everybody. I was sick of him talking about just lucky, I guess. Shut up. I too would have become a villain because I just saw you pick up this whole car and threw it across the street. You're talking about just lucky, I guess. You got hit by a truck. Just lucky, I guess. I wake up bright and early. Something I hate. Swing, because I'm going to watch Superman the earliest show as possible because I need to finish editing this vlog. Yo, the forehead is giving 6 heads. The forehead is glistening. Oh, on my skin. It's my outfit for today. So this jumper or sweater, whatever you want to call it, is from Mango. Belt H&M. Jeans from Abercrombie.